So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about graphs of quadratic function. What are the different ways in graphing a quadratic function? First, find the vertex and the axis of symmetry. Second, find the x and y intercepts. Third, let us plot the points, and then afterwards, number 4, let us trace the graph or sketch the graph. So let us see the opening of the graph of the quadratic functions. So if the value of a, that is positive, so that is opens upward. So the graph opens upward. Or if the value of a, that is greater than 0, so that is opens upward. What if the value of a, that is negative? So that is opens downward. So the parabola opens downward. Let us sketch the graph of y equals the quantity x plus 6 times x minus 2. First, we need to identify or we need to distribute x times x, that is x squared, and then x times negative 2, that is negative 2x, 6 times x, that is positive 6x, 6 times negative 2, that is negative 12. Afterwards, let us combine negative 2x plus 6x. And then the rest, copy y, copy x squared, and then negative 2 plus 6, subtract, that is positive 4x, and then negative 12. So, let us see what could be the value. So, pagko-combine natin yung x squared and then 4x minus 12. So, let us identify the vertex form. So, what could be the number to be added and then subtracted to make this equation a perfect square trinomial? So, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So, it means 4 times 1, or 4 times positive, that is positive 4. So, the number to be added, that is positive 4, and then this one, copy negative. So, afterwards, get the square root of x squared, that is x. Copy the sign, that is positive. Square root of 4, that is 2, and then squared. Negative 12 and then negative 4 add, that is equal to negative 60. So let us see now the vertex form. So the vertex form, that is y equals the quantity x plus 2 squared minus 60. Afterwards, let us identify the vertex. The vertex, change the sign. So this one, positive 2, that becomes negative 2, and then copy the value of k, that is negative 16. The axis of symmetry, that could be the value of h. So x is equal to h. So x is equal to negative 2. So let us see what could be the opening of the parabola. So this is positive. So the opening of the parabola, that is opens upward. So let us solve now the x and y intercept. Let us solve for the x-intercept. Let us replace the value of y by 0 and then copy the equation. Using the 0 property, let us solve for the value of x. First, x plus 6, that is equal to 0. So it means change the sign, bring down x, change the sign of positive 6, that becomes negative 6. So first value of x, that is equal to negative 6. X minus 2, that is equal to 0. So solve for x, bring down x, negative 2, change the sign, that becomes positive 2. So the value of x is negative 6 and then positive 2. So it means the x-intercepts are negative 6 and then the value of y is 0. The value of x is 2 and then 0. So the x-intercepts are negative 6, 0, 2, 0. So let us solve now for the y-intercept. To solve for the y-intercept, let us replace the value of x by 0. So y, x becomes 0, copy positive 6, x becomes 0, and then negative 2. 0 plus 6, that is positive 6. 0 minus 2, that is negative 2. If we multiply, that is equal to negative 12. So y equals negative 12. So the y-intercept, x is 0, and then y is negative 12. So 0 and negative 12. Let us identify now, or let us sketch the graph. The vertex that is negative 2 and negative 16. So this is negative 2 and then negative 16. So this one, let us plot the points. Negative 2, negative 16, that is in quadrant 3. And then x is equal to negative 2. So this is the axis of symmetry, that x equals negative 2. Next, the x-intercept, that is negative 6, 0, 2, 0. So this is negative 6, comma 0, plot the points, and then positive 2, comma 0. And then afterwards, 0, negative 12. So this is 0 and then negative 12. So let us plot the points. So the opening of the parabola is opens upward. So let us now draw the graph. In the given y equals the quantity x plus 6 times x minus 2, so the value of a is positive. So it means the opening of the parabola, that is opens upward. So if that is opens upward, let us draw or sketch the graph. So negative 6, 0, negative 2, negative 16, 0, negative 12, and positive 2, comma 0. So the parabola opens upward. How about example number 2? Let us sketch the graph of y equals negative x squared plus 6x minus 5. So let us copy and then let us solve for the vertex form. So i-combine natin yung negative x squared and then 6x. That becomes negative. Negative x squared divided by negative, that is positive x squared. Positive 6x divided by negative, that is negative 6x, and then bring down negative 5. Afterwards, let us think what could be the number to be added to make this equation a perfect square trinomial. So it means b divided by 2 squared. So negative 6 divided by 2, that is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is equal to positive 9. So number to be added is positive 9. 9 times negative is negative 9. So the number to be added is negative 9. So as you can see, the number to be added inside the parentheses, that is plus, and then outside the parentheses, that is minus. So let us find out the vertex form. So copy y, copy negative. Square root of x squared is x. Copy the sign of b, that is negative. Square root of 9, that is equal to 3, and then square. Negative 5. Negative times negative is positive. So negative 5 plus 9, subtract, that becomes positive 4. So the vertex form, that is y equals the quantity negative times x minus 3 squared plus 4. So this is the vertex form. Afterwards, let us identify now the vertex. The vertex, change the sign, that is positive 3 and then 4. The axis of symmetry, that could be the value of h. So x is equal to 3. Let us see what could be the opening of the parabola. So this is negative. So the opening of the parabola, that is opens downward. So let us solve now for the x and y intercept using the vertex form. So this is the vertex form. So let us copy. And then afterwards, let us replace the value of y by 0 to the given equation to solve for the x-intercept. So using the square root property, this becomes negative going to the left side. That becomes positive. The quantity x minus 3 squared is equal to 4. Let us write the square root on both sides and then positive, negative. Cancel 2 and then the radical sign, that becomes x minus 3. Copy positive, negative, and the square root of 4, that is equal to 2. Afterwards, let us bring down x. Change the sign of negative 3 going to the right side, that becomes positive 3, and then bring down positive, negative 2. So let us solve now for x. So 3, yung una, 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. The second one, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, that is equal to positive 1. So x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1. So the x-intercept are 5, 0, and then 1, comma 0. Let us solve now the y-intercept using the vertex form. So let us replace the value of x by 0. So that becomes y. It is equal to negative the quantity 0 minus 3 square plus 4. So let us copy 0 minus 3. That is equal to negative 3 square. Copy y, copy negative, copy positive 4. So bring down y. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Copy negative, copy positive 4. Negative 9 plus 4, subtract, that becomes negative 5. So the value of y, that is equal to negative 5. So it means the y-intercept is 0 and then negative 5. So let us sketch the graph of this given. So the vertex, that is 3, comma 4. So this is 3, comma 4 within the quadrant 1. So let us plot the points. Afterwards, this is the axis of symmetry. X is equal to positive 3. So the x-intercept, that is 5, comma 0. So this is 5, comma 0. So let us plot the points of 5, comma 0. Next is 1, comma 0. So this is 1, comma 0. And then the y-intercept, so within the y-axis, this is 0 and then negative 5. So the opening of the parabola is opens downward. So let us see what could be the graph now. So ito yung magiging itsura ng graph if the graph opens downward. So let us plot or let us sketch the graph. So 0, negative 5, 1, comma 0, 3, comma 4, 5, comma 0. So the parabola opens downward. Let us sketch the graph of y equals negative the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 1. This one is written in a vertex form. It is easily to identify the vertex. The vertex, change the sign, that is positive 2, comma 1. The axis of symmetry, x is equal to h, so x is equal to positive 2. Opening of the parabola, this is negative, so that is opens downward. So let us solve now for the x and y intercept. Let us solve for the x-intercept. Let us copy the given. Let us replace the value of y by 0. And then copy negative the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 1. Using the square root property, negative going to the left side, that becomes positive the quantity x minus 2 squared. That is equal to 1. Let us write the square root on both sides to solve for the value of x. Cancel 2 and then the radical sign, that becomes x minus 2. Copy positive, negative, and then the square root of 1, that is equal to 1. So x, bring down, negative 2, that becomes positive 2, positive, negative 1. Let us solve now for the value of x. So 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And then another one, 2 minus 1, that is equal to positive 1. X is equal to 3 and another x that is equal to 1. So it means the x-intercepts are 3, comma 0 and then 1, comma 0. How about the y-intercept? Let us replace the value of x by 0 to the given equation. So that becomes y, it is equal to negative the quantity 0 minus 2 square plus 1. 0 minus 2, that is equal to negative 2 square plus 1. Negative 2 times negative 2, so y, copy, negative 2 times negative 2, that is equal to positive 4 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1, subtract, that is equal to negative 3. So y, it is equal to negative 3. So the y-intercept, that is equal to 0, comma negative 3. So let us plot the points now for the vertex. The vertex, that is equal to 2, comma 1. So this is 2, comma 1, that is within the quadrant 1. So this is the point of 2, comma 1. The axis of symmetry, that is equal to x is equal to 2. And then the x-intercept 3, 0. So this is 3, 0. So let us plot the points of 3, 0. 1, 0. So this is 1, 0. And then the y-intercept, that is 0, -3 within the y-axis. So 0 and then -3. Afterwards, let us plot the points. So the opening of the parabola is opens downward. After plotting the points, let us draw the graph or sketch the graph. The opening of the parabola is opens downward, so this is opens downward. So let us draw the graph. So 0, -3, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0. So this is the graph that is opens downward. Instruction: determine the vertex, opening of the parabola, axis of symmetry, x and y intercepts of the quadratic function. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.